Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I just kind of want to share like 4 different like hairstyles I do and kind of like what kind of tools I use. It's very quick. I also think these kind of styles you can do with all different kind of hair. Mine is now like a middle length, but I feel you can also do it with like a little shorter or a little longer. So yeah, if I really need to hurry in the morning and if I want to give my hair like a little touch, so just for records, this is my natural hair, just like out of the shower, and I actually got a haircut like 2 weeks ago. So I feel like the ends are always a little bit like straight, and if I'm heading out, what I often want to do is just give it like a quick yeah, what do you call it, it's not a curl, it's just a quick touch. So for that I'm going to use this Remington tool. So it is not a curling iron and it's not a blow dryer, it's kind of like in between. The first product I'm using is this styling primer from IGK. I feel whatever you use, kind of like tool, it is really important to protect your hair. So I'm just brushing this a little through. So what I do, I just take like a piece of hair and I'm rolling this in the ends like that. And you see it looks a little strange now, but it just goes like inwards and the fried ends don't look like as fried anymore. And they're not fried, they're not that. I just had a haircut, but I feel especially in like in the winter when your hair is just really dry, even though you put like conditions in there or even though you put like hair mask in there, it just like it can feel really dry and it's just nothing really to do about it. So with this like styler, your ends kind of look a little more yeah, a little more done and healthy, I would say. So take this side. I feel this is a really good thing for people with very straight hair, and like if you don't really know what to do with it, because I had that for a long time. I was just like, yeah, my hair is so straight, I can't do anything with it. And just with something simple like this, you can change yeah, your complete look. So, and it's done. I warm this up literally when I'm like brushing my teeth, and then it will take me a couple of minutes to do this, and it is super simple, and it still looks like you kind of did something to it, and like the ends look just a little bit more fresh. So okay, this was look number 1, super easy. And from here, the great thing is that even like during the day, if you kind of want to switch up your look, that is super easy. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I do like kind of like a beach wavy look. This is kind of my to go film look, to go out look. So I have like one of these like big clips. You can also use like an elastic or something, but I just find it easier to use the clip. And then I'm just like dividing my hair in 2. I take the top part, I put this in a bun. Again, I put a styling primer on there to protect my hair and let it like air dry a little bit. Oh, so this is actually also a look I do a lot. I just like put it up in a little bun and I wear it like this. Super easy. Then I'm using this curling iron. This is Con Iron. I think I literally got this at like one of the drugstores or at Amazon. I have to look that up actually. I start here at the bottom and then I am curling my hair like this. I'm keeping this one vertical And I just hold it for a couple of seconds. And then I loosen. And then I have a curl like this. And I grab like piece by piece. And it's important to like kind of switch direction. So sometimes you go like that and sometimes you go like that. So this one I go right here. And like the mistake I made at the beginning a lot was the position of the curling iron. I had it like horizontal or like another weird angle, and my curls were just getting really strange. So just be aware of that. And then just one by one. So the fun part is that the curls, you don't have to do this really like precise, and if you just want to have like this beachy kind of like loose look, so you can just take like random pieces and random directions, and it doesn't have to be like too perfect. And the curls might look a bit like really well done right now, but it's just for now, and then later on they will when they sit a little bit better, they will drop and you have like more natural curls. Also, don't forget to do the back pieces here. So the lower part is done right now, and then we're gonna go to the top part. My hair is already like a little bit dry, so the curls stay quite well. If they don't, then a good tip is to use a little bit of volume spray. So I have this one from IGK. It is like a texturizing spray, so this way the curls will stay a little bit better. And you're kind of gonna do the same thing piece by piece here. So, and the look is done. As you can see, it's just like a lot of bunch of like different small waves. And if you feel you did a couple too many, like it's getting too flat, you can just grab like really tiny little pieces and just curl those. It is quite a lot of work, but you have something then, and you can actually, if you don't wash your hair, you can like keep it and the texture really stays in really well. I'm just going to do like 2 really tiny pieces to like kind of break this up here. There we go. And to make this stay, I'm going to use a tiny bit of hairspray. I don't like too much because I feel like my curls will be best in like 1 hour if they're like dropping a tiny little bit. But yeah, this is the look. I feel this is also a super easy base to go from, because you can make like a lot of like different kind of hairstyles from this. I personally like to wear my hair up as well, because I don't know, sometimes it's just like really annoying if there's just like hair in your face all the time. Don't you feel like the best feeling is when you come home and like you take off your bra, you put your hair up and whatever, and then if you have to go somewhere, if you take your hair down, there's like this elastic band in there. So I kind of have a very nice like cute look to put your hair up. And I actually wore this during New Year's Eve. I don't know if you guys remember that video. Some people asked me to do like a tutorial on that, but we do it like that. So what you're gonna need is a small elastic and 2 bobby pins, or 1, or you can barely see them actually. So what I do, this is like the simplest thing ever. I put my hair up. Oh, I also wore this during my Zimmerman evening. Oh yeah, I actually do this quite often. So I gather all my hair to make a ponytail. Do I have everything? So I take 1 piece of hair here, and then on the other side I take like an equal amount. There we go. And then you just put it up. I take a tiny elastic and you put it up, And what I like about it is that there is like a little volume here on the back. And then in the front it looks kind of chic with this. And to hide this little hair thing, what you can do is grab a piece of hair and just turn it around and pin it with a bow. So, and then if you like, you can still you can put a little extra wave in this. That's what I'm going to do. Just a tiny bit. And also on the other side, go like that. So after you do that, you use a tiny bit of hairspray. Please protect your eyes, and yeah, it will stay all day. So, well, this look is super easy to take out. Just a clip and the elastic, and there we go. I look a little bit like a big lion. So another like hair accessory I've been a huge fan of are scrunchies. I feel like scrunchies kind of make like a big comeback right now, and I'm super happy about it. And I really feel like if I wear like scrunchies, the elastic doesn't rub like that much towards my hair, so I feel my hair doesn't break as much. I don't get a weird bend either, and I think it's just like a really cute like touch or accessory. So I have a couple of scrunches I want to show you guys. This is like a velvet one, and this is a silky one. These I got at Urban Outfitters, and this is a really fun one actually. I've never tried this, but this is one from the swimwear brand Solid and Stripe, and it is a swim scrunchie. So yeah, it's made to go into the water. So two ways how I wear my scrunchies normally. I just I grab the top part here. I just make like a little knot, and this is like more my casual, super easy kind of look, and I really like it if I before curled my hair, so it's kind of a little bit more so it's kind of like a little bit more messy, and then yeah, that would look like this. Super easy, and yeah, easy to put in, easy to put out. The swim one, I actually want to show you guys how I wear it. I think if I'm wearing like a nice bathing suit, and especially if you're on the beach, sometimes like your hair can be really annoying with the wind to put it up. So I would try to do it in like a big like top knot. I'm actually kind of really liking this look without a swimsuit, but I feel with a swimsuit on and like kind of this, it's kind of like, yeah, it's kind of like 90s, 80s, and I think it's super cute. So yeah, this was like my hair video, and these are kind of hairstyles I've been wearing lately. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I am actually thinking about making a video about really how I take care of my hair, like what kind of products, what kind of vitamins, what kind of mask do I use to keep it like shiny, to keep it soft, and yeah, let me know if that's something you want to see as well. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and put your notifications on so you won't miss any other video.